go back. It's your girl Beata Matasan, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. It's for free. And if you have subscribed and you have been watching and you are watching this video, honey, I salute you. Thank you so much. I'm going to show you how I laid these mini edges, how I also installed this lace frontal. It's not a 360. If you are eager to learn how I did it, honey, please watch this video. And it's an updated one. I once did something like this. I once did a video like this. I don't want to talk about it, but I'm not going to delete it because here we learn each and every day. And then I must say, practice makes perfect. Like in any other thing or in everything, practice makes perfect, trust me. So this is me and the hair, honey, the hair. I installed it very well. Thank you guys. Please watch. So as you can see, I have this wig cap. Well, it's not a wig cap as such because I bought it from Pep Stores. It's the stockings. I couldn't find a new wig cap around here, so I just had to use what I had or what I have. So please get with me as I do so. So the first thing is to put this on your head. This is my hair, 14 inches lace frontal or ear to ear, and the knots are already bleached. If you want to see how to bleach the knots, then please watch this video here. I'll put the card right here so that you watch that video. can take anything, a headband or anything that you can use to tie the lace. This is a belt. And you have to wait for a few minutes, 5, 10, if you want it to be that stuck. I don't know. Not sure if you can see, there are some flyaways whatsoever, so I need to make them dirobale. Hey guys, can I tell you about this? Hey, I'm gonna use this. Let me tell you about this. So I bought it at Cosmetic Connection, and I bought this one at Clicks. This one was 160 or 130, I can't remember, something like that, because I bought it with the glue, but I didn't use the glue right now. And when I went at Clicks to check this, I didn't know how it looked like. I just saw it on some YouTube tutorials, and I felt like something in a little web. Okay, when I arrived, I asked the lady who was helping there, well, now where can I get mousse? And then her response, well, it looked like she was having a bad day, so it wasn't a good one. And then when I checked, it was like, no, this doesn't look like mousse. Trust me, I'm not sure if you can see. This is how it is. Just look, but it's because I just shut it. And then I went out of Clicks because I was like, but I still saw that it was written mousse. So kaya Cosmetic Connection, Cosmetic Connection, and then I saw it in Login, but it was cheap at Cosmetic Connection, 60 something, 67 rand, something like that. Got Clicks in 80 something. So women and money, especially Ghana Queen, and we ain't gonna play with money, honey. So that was the story, guys. So moods like the kids agent and what it looks at agent I it's all look ever half or pampa. So this is it. I'm not gonna use pampa in it. Oh, it's not bad. To lay some edges, but as Islam, this one is just so optional. So if you would want to do so, you can, but if you don't want to, you can't. Then I'm gonna use my old toothbrush and pour little moves right here just to wet this hair. Where can I put this mousse now? Guys, so I didn't time myself. Anyway, that's not where I am, but hey, it didn't take a very long time, guys. So this is just how it is, and thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Toodles.